by the grace of God and 600 horsepower. It's the Smart Modified Tour here at Caraway. Tim Brown poked his nose out front, but Burt Myers very strong on the outside. Myers takes the lead. He will lead the first lap here during the Warrior 100. Here comes Brandon Ward, 3 times a winner in the SMRS competition, and Brandon Ward goes to second. Here comes Brian Lofton as well. Lofton trying to get by the Rocket and Will early in this race. Jonathan Brown also battling hard in the 24. He sticks his nose to the inside of Brown in turn number 3. Coming off of turn number 4 right now. Brown trying to hold steady, trying not to burn up that tire. Everybody racing to get to that end of the first stage here. And that will be lap number 30. Bobby Meismer Jr. also going around the 25 of Tim Brown. Look at this right in front of that as well. Jonathan Brown passing Brandon Ward. So right now, Brian Lofton now has moved to second. It's Burt Myers, Brian Lofton, and Jonathan Brown, your top 3. Bobby Meismer Jr. in the Z-Max car, now up another spot. Tim Brown keeps on falling by the wayside early in this one, trying to hold on to lap 30. That'll move Bobby Labonte up to 8th right now. Top 10 looks like this. Burt Myers leading over Brian Lofton. Jonathan Brown is 3rd, Bobby Meismer in 4th, and Jason Myers, the other Myers brother, now up to the 5th spot. There you see Bobby Labonte trying to go around Tim Brown. Tim Brown started on the point for this one, and Bobby Labonte trying to pick up another spot to move into 7th. Lots of action around this racetrack. Labonte nice and smooth. Don't know if the handling is not good on Tim Brown's car or if he's just saving his stuff. These teams, when they choose to pit, can only take one tire, and it's their choice of when to pick. Labonte with the run off the corner down into turn number 3. Side by side with Tim Brown. Labonte looking good in that Cookout Pace-O-Matic number 18. He picks up the spot, so Labonte now is up to 7th. Brandon Ward, we saw him in that number 2 machine move as high as 3rd early in this race, but he has faded as well back to the 7th spot. Tim Brown, who started in spot number 1 for this 100-lap affair tonight, running in 8th in the 25. Tim Brown to the inside. Tim Brown making a move on Brandon Ward, and that will be the end of Bell Helmets stage number 1